So here's how you can schedule Instagram Reels on your Android phone. Let me talk about it. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, what you have to do is to open up your Instagram, just get to the section where you can create stuff by, tapping the plus button. It will access your photos, whatever. Just click on and continue. And you can, of course, just make sure that the application just like you set up the reels or whatever. You can upload your pictures or whatever you want. But in here, once you go through the setup process for the reel creation, right, when you go to the next and whatever, you don't necessarily just click on the publish right away, but instead you're going to schedule the reel. Right, so what you have to do is just to click on the more options. So it's kind of like hidden away a little bit. So you tap on the three dots with more options and you enable the schedule this reel. So when you enable it like that, it's going to give you the date picker and specific time. So you can basically just set it up exactly the way that you want and at exact time. And you should also pay attention to the time zone settings because the phone will adapt the app will adapt your phone's settings for the time zone. So this is only important if you have like international audience, and if you want to like publish it at a different time zone, then you need to kind of like convert it or perhaps change it, whatever. But this is the time that this is the way that it works, and the time settings are here. So this is how it functions. Let me know if you managed to find it. Most definitely subscribe for the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.